All right, guys, welcome back. So my VMware player is actually done, and you can see there's an actual icon on the desktop. What I like to do is I like to pin it to the taskbar. So I like to drag and just put it on the taskbar itself, so it's easier to actually use. And then I like to get rid of these. I like just an actual good cleanup, as you see. And let me just empty my recycle bin. So right now I do have the player. And look, here is the player. Once you launch it, there's nothing there. So we're gonna leave this running, right? So this is what's actually happening. This is what's happening. Look, every time you do this, it's gonna tell you, well, like, you know what? There's a new version. I could say skip this. I could say remind me later, right? So I'm just doing like there is actual updates that you could actually do on this. The moment I cannot set up any virtual machines, and the reason for that is because I do not have the actual ISOs, right? So we're going to actually look at that in a different part, which is in a moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see you guys again. I just wanted to show you that we could actually launch the VMware player, and I'm sure you guys can launch it too on your side. So we'll see you guys in a different section in a few moments.